Today we're going to repair some damage at this fiberglass cowling using Raptor's Fibreglass Repair Kit. So here's what you'll need. Raptor's Fibreglass Repair Kit, some water-based degreaser, scissors for cutting fiberglass matting, 80 all the way up to 240 grit sandpaper, and some rags. Today we're going to do a fiberglass repair on this damaged cowling. First up, we're going to clean the area with some 80 grit sandpaper and using a Dremel to help remove any loose fiberglass and give us a clean edge to bridge. As you can see here, we're actually going to reuse the piece that we've removed from the cowling and reinforce it with some fiberglass matting. We're also going to make sure that that piece we've removed is clean and properly abraded. We're also going to feather out about 25 mils around the edge of the repair so the resin has something to stick to. Once the surface and edges are clean, you'll want to degrease the surface again to remove any dust before laying the fiberglass matting. Inside the kit you'll find some resin, hardener, fiberglass matting and a brush. Now we're going to cut the fiberglass matting to fit the area we're repairing. When you are repairing holes, make sure the mat extends at least 25 mils beyond the damaged area to make sure it's strong and adheres properly. To activate the resin, measure out 44mm of Raptor's fiberglass resin and add 25mm of hardener. Mix thoroughly until the colour is uniform and there are no visible streaks. Once it's mixed in, the resin has a working time of about 4 to 6 minutes, so only mix up where you can apply straight away. Using the brush inside the box, apply an even coat of activated resin to the edge of the repair. We're also going to coat that bridging piece in the resin as well and hold that in place so we can reinforce it with some fiberglass matting. Once it's held in place, we're going to abrade the surface again using some sandpaper and give it a good clean so the resin has something to grip onto. Now we're going to mix up some more resin again and start applying the fiberglass matting. Carefully place the fiberglass matting onto the wet resin and apply more resin over the top, working it through the mat until it's fully saturated. Once the first layer is cured, additional layers can be applied as needed to build strength and thickness. Once it's cured, you can begin shaping the repair using P80 to 120 grit sandpaper. When the shape's correct, refine the surface using P180 to 240 grit sandpaper and you're ready for primer. Before you do any of this, make sure you check out the website at raptorcoatings.com.au, read up on the technical data sheets and check out the other resources on how to mix filler correctly.